What's up, guys, and welcome to Angles Practice Problems Level Medium. All right, let's do it. All right, so we got a really cool diagram here. It says in the figure above, lines X and Y are parallel. So these two are parallel. Transversals A and B intersect to form, so that's A and B right here. So here is B and here is A. Form an angle of measure W, and two other angle measures are as marked. So we got this guy at 100 and this guy at 55. What is the value of W? So we are trying to find W right here, okay? So how are we gonna do that? There may be a few ways to do it, but the first thing that pops out at me is there is a triangle formed here with these transversals, right? Like this. So we got this cool little triangle here. Triangles will pop up over and over on the ACT, so let's use them. So first of all, before we even get into the triangle aspect, check this out. We got a straight line here, and we know that we've got 100 degrees here. So we can find this side, this angle of the triangle, because a straight line has to have 180 degrees. So that inside line is the difference of 180 and that outside angle 100, which is 80, right? So we know that this angle in here is 80 degrees. So what must be this last angle down here? It has to be 180 minus the sum of 55 and 80. It's the missing chunk that makes all three of these angles up here in this triangle add to 180. So what's 80 plus 55? It's 135. So if we were to subtract this from 180, okay, we would actually get 45. I can do it really quickly if you want to see, because it's 10, so we get 5 and 4, right? So we get 45 degrees. Guess what? This last angle has to be the same as W. W has to be 45 degrees as well. Why is that, right? If this angle up here is 45, why does W have to be 45? This comes down to a principle of vertical angles. So if you see these two line segments, A and B, and they form an angle on one side over here that's 45 degrees, the angle on the opposite side here has to be, it's gonna be the same degree. So that's vertical angles. So by that rule, we know that W is 45. So C, 45 is our answer, and done.